Today at FoneFunShop we are going to be showing you the tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone, Samsung and Huawei phones. These are to help protect the screen from scratches and possible breakages. Let's have a look inside. So inside we have the actual screen protector itself with the peelable plastic cover. We'll get back to that in a moment. And one wipe to wet the screen to make sure you can get any dirt off it. And number 2 wipe to dry it off, ready to fit the screen protector. Let me show you how it's done. So get number 1. Let's pull it out of its... Open it up. And just give the screen a little wipe. Yeah. And then number 2, to dry the screen off, give it a little wipe. As you can see, getting most of the wet off and any remaining dirt, specks of dust should be gone. And now we're going to get to fitting the screen protector itself. As you can see, my screen is now really clean. Let's get to fitting the screen protector. First, all you need to do is peel this little label here downwards, pulling the protective cover off the screen protector's back. Do not try to touch this side, you'll put fingerprints all over it. The front part here, carefully placing it down onto your phone, like so. Just a little tip for you, best to turn your phone on. Turn the brightness up so you can see where you're fitting the phone screen protector, and carefully place. You should have a nice clean fit. This screen protector is user friendly and does prevent bubbles. It is self-leveling. These are available at www.FoneFunShop.com. Thanks for watching.